Now, you can go back to your teenage, reinvent yourself, and stop aging. When we stop playing, we stop developing, and when that happens, the laws of entropy take over, things fall apart. When we stop playing, we start dying. 16. School of Seniors. From Sports and Management Research Institute. To keep the heart unwrinkled, to be hopeful, kindly, cheerful, reverent, that is to triumph over old age. Sports and Management Research Institute, SMR. The premier sports research and training institute in India, which offers skill development courses in sports management, sports engineering, and sports psychology, is initiating a sporty school for the senior citizens. SMR. 16. School of Seniors. 16 aims to enhance the quality of lives of the senior citizens by engaging them in learning, playing, working, and inventing. 16 is the unique pedagogy developed to engage the senior citizens through the perfect integration of the properties of traditional learning methodologies and the possibilities of modern technologies. School of Seniors offers various senior diploma programs for senior citizens by using the 16 pedagogy. Senior Diploma Program. Every year, SMRI School of Seniors offers a senior diploma in a new interesting subject till you leave learning. Example: Senior Diploma in Business Management, SDBM, Senior Diploma in Sports Management, SDSM, and Senior Diploma in Sports Psychology, STSP. Course duration: 1 year for one diploma. Successful seniors can join for the next senior diploma in the next year. Lifelong learning modes. Classroom. You can enroll at the 16 campus near your residence. Hybrid. If there is no 16 campus near your location or can't attend classroom mode due to any reason, you can opt for our hybrid mode. Hybrid mode offers online live and recorded classes and guided activities. You can learn in hybrid mode from anywhere in the world. You can change your learning modes anytime as you wish. Our pedagogy. 16 is the customized version of the Formula X pedagogy developed by the Sports and Management Research Institute, SMRI, based on the learning from Formula One racing, the world's top motorsports championship. Formula X perfectly blends learn, play, work, and invent components. Learn. Classroom teaching, self-learn, case studies, and homeworks. Play. Movie analysis, gamification, creativity tools, social media, and study tools. Work. Senior internships, volunteering, or senior startups. Invent. Research and trivia and weird topics. Course content. Core domain. Every year you can learn a new subject from our knowledge bucket list. Language. Every year you can learn a new language offered. Languages include Sanskrit, Latin, French, German, and Spanish. Art. Creative writing, drawing, painting, music, etc. Super specialization optional. If seniors want to learn something special like movie making, agriculture, fashion designing, etc., the course coordinators will assist you by arranging facilities for learning these subjects. Minimum 10 students must enroll for this subject, and the total cost of offering such subject will be divided among the seniors who join for this subject. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. When you stop working, you start to die. Level progression 1 to 5 years. Basic Senior Diploma BSD 6 to 10 years. Advanced Senior Diploma ASD 11 to 15 years. Super Senior Diploma SSD 16 to 20 years. Master Senior Diploma MSD 21 plus years. Ultra Senior Diploma USD. The learning acquired in one birth helps a man in 7. If you don't go after what you want, you'll never have it. If you don't ask, the answer is always number. If you don't step forward, you are always in the same place. Services 16 School of Seniors offers special services to the seniors, which include the support of psychologist, nutritionist, fitness trainer, beautician, clothier. Rules and regulations. The minimum age for admission is 56 years. If you join with your spouse, a 50% fee concession will be allowed for your spouse. You can involve in all the activities if your health permits. The campuses will be guided and supervised by a special management committee consisting of the seniors, children, and the SMRI team. We don't stop playing because we grow old. We grow old because we stop playing. Sports and Management Research Institute, SMRI, is a premier sports education and research organization that offers world-class education, training, propaganda, and consultancy in different domains of sports such as sports management, sports engineering, sports science, sports coaching and sports culture. Established with the objective of making India a sports superpower, SMRI supports people and organizations beyond Indian boundaries to excel in sports. Choice is yours. Stay young or go old.